So friends, I have breaking news once again. For all Social Security recipients, it has been announced that millions of Social Security beneficiaries could see a big benefit increase soon. Also, Congress is working on some new changes for monthly benefits. So dear friends, please make sure you watch until the end of this video to learn how these changes may affect your monthly checks. I will be giving away a $75 Walmart gift card 4 days a week. If you would like to enter these giveaways, please make sure you click and like several of my videos, and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. The more videos that you comment on, the greater your chance of winning the Walmart gift card giveaway.
That the Democrats were proposing, yes, that was a Freudian slip there, is a title that would make Orwell blush. I mean, if you think about what the Democrats are suggesting here, you know, we've had record 40-year high inflation, and we've got now 2 consecutive quarters of a negative economic growth, which, however, the administration wants to define it, is a recession. And here they are talking about raising taxes, increasing spending, and sticking it to the job creators in this country when we're trying to deal with some economic challenges for which those are the absolute wrong prescription. And if you look even now at the Penn-Wharton model, which some Democrats have kind of held out as the gold standard in the past, has suggested that it wouldn't have any positive impact on inflation in the long run, in fact would increase it in the near term. And you look at what the Joint Economic Committee said in their analysis, which is that lower income Americans, in other words those under $100,000 a year, would bear a significant burden as a result of these.
Social Security recipients are in for another large cost of living increase in 2023, and it could even be bigger than last year's. A recent analysis from the Nonprofit Committee for a Responsible Federal Budget found that the increase next year could be as high as 10.8% if inflation continues at its current pace. If inflation cools to the target rate of 0.2% a month, then checks could increase by 7.9%. Inflation has remained high all year, with prices increasing 8.6% in May. As a result, the Social Security benefits will likely rise somewhere in the middle of those figures, potentially around 8.8%. That would still be the 4th highest cost of living increase ever. According to a report by CBS News, the nonprofit Senior Citizens League previously estimated an increase of 8.6% next year. Social Security recipients received a 5.9% cost of living increase in 2022. That is the biggest in decades. The hikes are meant to help seniors and other Social Security beneficiaries keep pace with rising prices, but the increases will not arrive until next year. Even though inflation is high now, the Social Security Administration typically announces the annual cost of living increase in October, and it takes effect in January. Historically, the raises haven't done a great job keeping up with the actual cost increases that seniors have had to face. In fact, even with annual increases, Social Security benefits have lost roughly 40% of their buying power since the year 2000. Unfortunately, friends, even if seniors receive a substantial raise this year, it is likely to be mostly wiped out by increased housing costs. Medicare expenses have also been rising steadily, further eroding the ability of cost of living increases to help recipients keep up with rising prices elsewhere. Before last year's increase, beneficiaries had been dealing with many years' worth of much smaller hikes. 3 times since 2010, recipients did not get any bump at all, and that was thanks to low inflation. The 2021 cost of living increase was just 1.3%. So friends, what are your thoughts on this? Do you think that our federal government should increase the monthly benefits for all Social Security beneficiaries? Please let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. There are some lawmakers that have a plan to boost Social Security payments by $2,400 per recipient annually, while also shoring up the program financially. Friends, the keyword for this video is Lake Burton. If you would like to enter today's Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like several of my videos, and then comment below this keyword, which is Lake Burton, and additional keywords of any video of mine that you watch. And do make sure that you're also subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much, friends. Please remember that the more videos that you comment on with the keyword, the greater your chance of winning the Walmart gift card. The Social Security Expansion Act was put forward by Democratic Representative Peter DeFazio and Vermont Senator Bernie Sanders. The plan comes after the Social Security Administration earlier this month said that Americans will stop receiving their full Social Security benefits in roughly 13 years without actions to shore up the program. The new bill would seek to lessen the strain on individuals collecting Social Security by boosting each recipient's monthly check by $200. That is an annual increase of $2,400. Martha Shedden, president of the National Association of Registered Social Security Analysts, told reporters this week, many seniors rely on Social Security for the majority, if not all of their income. $200 a month can make a significant difference for many people. The average monthly Social Security check is about $1,658. So a $200 increase would represent a 12% boost. The bill would also make several additional changes to the program. The average monthly Social Security check is about $1,658. So a $200 increase would represent a 12% boost. The bill would also make several additional changes to the program, including buttressing the program's funding by applying the Social Security payroll tax on all income above $250,000 a year. Currently, earnings above $147,000 are not subject to the Social Security tax. Democratic Representative Steve Cohen, a co-sponsor of the bill, said in a statement, with half of older Americans having no retirement savings and millions living in poverty, it is far past time to address the future of Social Security. In a tweet, he called the $147,000 cap on Social Security taxes indefensible. Although the bill would likely face obstacles in Congress, lawmakers are likely to take steps to shore up Social Security, given the eventual shortfall, which would result in a cut to monthly benefits by about 20% starting in the year 2035. Well, my brilliant and fantastic friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video. Thank you so very much for joining me here today. I truly hope that you found some of this information helpful. Friends, I'll be announcing a winner for the Walmart gift card giveaway in a video later today, so please stay tuned for that video. Thank you so much, friends.